Good morning, kids.
Good morning, teacher.
Students, you did a number of programs for different tasks, but we never thought about the various situations. Our code should be smart to tackle the different possibilities.
I don't quite understand.
Let me explain. Imagine I have to give you a remark based on your test marks. Coding as you know it won't help here. We need to use conditionals.
This is new to us.
Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how it works using a fun example. Imagine you have 100 as pocket money and you want to buy a color box. What would you do?
I'll bargain and tell the shopkeeper uncle. Can I get a student discount?
That's funny, Kaylin. Anyone else?
If the color box costs 100 rupees or less, I can buy it. But if it's more, I can't.
Exactly! Let's see how Python can handle this situation. In Python, we have a conditional statement called if-else. Here's how it works. If condition, true part, else, false part.
What does true part and false part mean?
The true part is what the computer does if the condition is true, and the false part is what happens if the condition is false. Ready to see it in action?
Yes!
Let's start by storing the pocket money amount in a variable called PM. Now, we'll ask the user for the cost of the color box. Finally, we'll write the condition. This code checks if your pocket money is enough to buy the box. The greater than equal to symbol is a comparison operator. There are more, but we'll learn them later.
Can we leave out the colon after if and else?
No. If you forget the colon, Python will give you an error message called a syntax error. All right, let's test it out. The color box costs us 55.
Wow!
Let's try again with a color box that costs us 105.
This is amazing! Can we make code for any condition we want?
Absolutely. That's the beauty of conditioning in programming.
This is so powerful.
Hi friends! Today we learned about the if-else statement in Python. It helps the computer make decisions based on conditions. We even used it to check if you have enough pocket money to buy something. Isn't that cool? Next time, try making your own conditions and see what Python says. Remember, coding is like solving puzzles. Until next time, keep coding and keep having fun.
Get ready for some fun? Watch the latest Aadi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.